Hi, it's Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy, and have to apologize for that dramatic opening, but I just couldn't help myself tonight. So what do we have here? A Toolmaker's Vise. Well, you know, the last thing I need right now in my life is another Toolmaker's Vise, right? There's 3 of them I already have in my toolbox, but there's something kind of unique about this one. I started this about 40 years ago, roughed it all out, had it heat treated, sandblasted, and never finished it. So I picked up the parts and brought them into work and started grinding everything up. Saw a few issues with what I had done 40 years ago, what we would do differently today, right? 40 years experience plus, and put everything together. Changed a few things and added a really cool speed handle to the vise. And in the end, when I was all done, I redrew the whole thing. So I've got about 21 pages here of drawings to build this vise, including a bill of materials that's very exacting and telling you what to do and where to get the stuff, and also my Toolmaker notes, some special notes, and kind of a few areas of the vise to really pay attention to get it fit upright so the jaw moves correctly, and also finally where to order the parts from. So again, 21 drawings. If you'd like to build a vise like this and have some really cool Toolmaker notes to go with it and the complete set of drawings, just visit the link under this video and it's all yours. You can download it tonight and print it all off on 8.5 by 11 sheets. I didn't make any big special papers where you have to go to the printer. You can print this off at home in the shop tonight, start building it tomorrow. And it's a great project. Building a vise, I was even surprised that this thing had already been milled out the time it took me to just finish grind it and fit up everything, but it was really cool. And I can tell you, when people walk by my bench and see this, they stop and ask, hey, what is that? When did you build that? When did you get that? So it's pretty cool. So hope you enjoy the project, and I hope to see you over at toolandieguy.com. And if you have any questions about the vise and building it, just email me and we'll get them answered. I'm Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy.